More news coming in. Sameer Wankhede versus Red Chillies. Delhi High Court hearing defamation suit filed by Sameer Wankhede against Red Chillies and Netflix. Wankhede's lawyer informs the court application has been filed to amend the suit. His counsel makes submissions about how the territorial jurisdiction of the suit lies in Delhi. There are posts on some URLs trolling me, my wife. These posts are related to court that will have wider ramifications is what it says. It can't be injuncted in general. We understand you have a cause to approach this court, but there is a procedure also that we have to follow. Court has now issued summons in the suit. Notice issued in the interim injunction application. Shrishti has more details on that big story that she's tracking. Take us through what has happened in court as far as Sameer Wankhede's matter is concerned. He had been asked by court, the Delhi High Court, to take the matter outside of the Delhi court, saying that this isn't really within the jurisdiction, but he's argued otherwise. What are those arguments?
Wankhede has had moved against Netflix and Red Chillies for their for the series, the Bads of Bollywood, claiming that there's been defamation. A defamation suit was filed. When this was heard by the Delhi High Court on last occasion, the court had told Sameer Wankhede that his plaint in its current form is not maintainable as far as Delhi High Court's jurisdiction is concerned. The court had also asked him to amend. The court had given him the permission to amend his suit and then amend. Today, his lawyers informed the High Court that an application to make those amendments has been filed. He also explained to court how the territorial jurisdiction of this particular suit will lie in Delhi, because remember, even on last occasion, his lawyer had told court that the web series that many persons in Delhi. Today issue summons to Red Chillies, Netflix for the defendants in this case, which basically means that a notice has been issued to them. They would have to now respond to the suit, and the court has also issued notice on application seeking interim relief and interim injunction application, which will now be heard on the 30th of October. Other than that, we also saw Sameer Wankhede's lawyer point out that there are also many URLs which are trolling Sameer Wankhede and his wife, and these posts are all related to the web series. However, the court has said that such a stay may not be, such a general injunction may not be possible because it will have wider ramifications.
Getting in those details as far as the matter of Sameer Wankhede is concerned. Wife is being trolled online is what she says. I'll try and go back to Shrishti while we also rectify the audio line with her. Shrishti, if you can hear me, tell us about what is the other, statement that has been made by the counsel. They're talking about the fact that he's being trolled. What is that allegation really about?
Yes, his lawyer today told the High Court that other than the series and what has been shown in the web series, there are also many posts and many URLs which are trolling Sameer Wankhede and his wife based on comparison with what has been shown in the series. He also said that the court should look at the kind of allegations which are now being made and the kind of trolling that is now being done. However, the court said that in general, an injunction cannot be possible to issue an injunction at this stage against all of those posts because it will have wider ramifications. The court said that it understands how Sameer has a court approach to court, but there's also procedure that they need to follow, and therefore they want to issue notice on his interim injunction application and also issue summons in the suit. The court will be following the procedure, granting an opportunity to the respondents, Red Chillies, Netflix in this case, and the other respondents to file a response, hear the matter, and then decide whether or not any injunction needs to be passed. Back to you.
All right. Also, Shrishti, for our viewers, take us through the details of this case, how this controversy really started after Bads of Bollywood featured, in fact, a spoof that was done on this entire incident involving Wankhede and Aryan Khan.
We're talking about Aryan Khan series, which has been produced entertainment is owned by his parents. Now, in suit was has been filed by
Shrishti Oja getting in those details to tell our viewers. This is An ongoing case has got to do with the controversy that had been brewing for days together over a spoof that had shown Wankhede in the Netflix series Bads of Bollywood.